Well, here in Pittsburgh, we are expecting stormy weather tomorrow. That's why it's a KDK First Alert Weather Day. Here's meteorologist Ray Petelin with the details for us. Ray.
Yeah, tonight's storms are right now way up to the north. Not an issue for us, but we could see a stray little shower trying to develop as the night continues. But tomorrow, this is a First Alert Weather Day because we're going to see everything flare back up. Now, there could be a stray thunderstorm around Pittsburgh, but it's looking like the best chance and the most widespread severe potential is going to be I-70 and southward. Now, there is going to still be a chance that some of these make it up to Pittsburgh and Butler and Clarion and Jefferson County, even up into Franklin. But the best shots that we see right now with the most recent modeling is down to the south. So here's how we anticipate this to work. Tonight into early tomorrow morning, maybe just a quick little passing shower. That's all we'll see. There's not as much lift in the atmosphere because we've lost the heat of the day. But tomorrow, as the sun comes in and we build that heat back up, we're going to get the lift needed to pull off some thunderstorms. And you can see here mid-afternoon to early evening, this is where we start seeing things flaring up. And some of these storms could be strong to severe with potentially damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and hail. So that's why we have the First Alert Weather Day for tomorrow. And you'll notice they sort of focus areas south of Pittsburgh, but some of those storms are going to try to lift up into town as well and past Pittsburgh up into Butler, Clarion. So just know there's going to be storms. The best shot is south of Pittsburgh. Now, when we time it out, again, the morning's going to be fairly quiet, even lunchtime fairly quiet. You'll see those clouds building in. But once we get to about 2, 3 o'clock, this is where we see isolated thunderstorms developing, and then they become more scattered about and widespread as the evening continues and we get into the peak heating of the day, or the warmest part of the day. Now, temperatures at the moment, they're not bad. Mid-70s in Pittsburgh and Irwin, 75 even in Beaver, 72 in Morgantown, Greensburg, and Katanning, as well as Indiana. So pretty comfortable temperatures, mainly clear skies for most of the area. Our dew point has touched that 60-degree mark, and it is going to be quite humid here the next several days. So just know the humidity is certainly going to be making us sweat it out as we get into easily the muggy to potentially extremely humid range tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before we start seeing some relief moving back in early next week. So it is going to be some of that steamy summer weather that we get over the next few. Tonight, though, not too bad, just to the point where you could probably sense the humidity. An isolated thunderstorm late, 67 degrees, with otherwise those mostly cloudy skies returning by morning. Now, we're going to see those thunderstorms most likely in the afternoon. And again, the best shot is looking south of Pittsburgh. Some of these storms are going to be severe, so just make sure that as you hear some thunder or see some lightning or a big scary looking cloud moving towards you, you check us out. We'll let you know if there's anything severe around. Temperatures tomorrow make it to the mid-80s for high temperatures for our First Alert Weather Day on Thursday. Now, Friday, I think it's going to be a fairly quiet day. Now, we could see a stray late day shower or thunderstorm, but I think the better chances are going to be Saturday afternoon, and that's with those temperatures again in the mid-80s, warm and humid through the weekend. While we could see a few thunderstorms on Sunday, neither weekend day looks like a washout. So just know that's the case. It's not going to be a washout, but we will have some rain delays. Next week, we start to cool things down and calm things down.